Hello guys, I'm Carol. Here is our factory Fupower, a professional manufacturer for titanium exhaust, pipes, air charge pipes, turbo pipes, and components. We build some popular parts for powerstrock, diesel carts, racing trucks, motorcycle ATV UTV snowboards, such as titanium muffler and pie carts. Please contact us if need. Hello guys, this is our sample room. This part is our titanium pie cards. We have different kinds of colors for the titanium pie cards. Gold, purple, polish, and blue. This part is our components of the exhaust system. We have different kinds of components. For example, we have flex pipe, we have waves, and the flange, and so on. And we also have different kinds of muffler. Here is our muffler parts. These here are our other samples. Normal exhaust tips, teardrop exhaust tips. And here is our stainless steel exhaust system, exhaust pipes. This is our titanium exhaust pipes. And this is our assemble section. Our engineering use the pie cards to assemble. Let's see how to assemble the pie cards. This is our sample, our engineering to assemble the pie cards according to this sample. Now our engineering is doing spot welding.